When you're working on your app, you've got a simulator on your computer. You might also have a real device or two that you're working with. And you've got a good Wi-Fi connection and a full battery. But your users, they have hundreds of devices using your app everywhere in all kinds of network conditions. It's hard to know how your app performs in the wild to get a real sense of what your users are experiencing. Introducing Observe. Observe is an open source library and service from Expo that uncovers the most important performance metrics and events that matter to your users. It comes with all the data you would expect, like time to interactive and time to render. These help you understand how your app performs over time. But we're doing more than that because we really care about people making mobile apps. And mobile apps are just so much more complex than web apps because your app versions, they live forever. And getting a change out can take not just hours, but sometimes days. With Observe, you'll see how every version of your app performs, how every individual build performs, and how every over-the-air update performs too. All displayed in a beautiful dashboard where you can slice and dice the data to see every slowdown, to find every regression, and to see every over-the-air fix. And it keeps going. You'll get navigation-related metrics, all put together in a timeline that represents a user session. You can even add your own custom metrics along the way. Now, with all of this data, it might be kind of hard to wrap your head around it all. And we felt this too. And so we've made it easy to use your favorite AI to summarize the most important signals and to get actionable next steps. Or if you need more control, you can use EAS CLI directly to get more targeted results. And we are just getting started. We are working on network request timing, alerting, and crash reporting, and so much more. Observe is now available. It's free up to 10,000 monthly active users and 3 months of data retention. Install it and start seeing what your users are experiencing today.